Final whistle on Football Fans Tribe. That is the match.
Now the match rugged, no be choice. This is the old Manchester United I've been looking for. Even if you did not play the bet to win money, at least you have joy that your team impressed.
Guy, this Manchester United, they don't see this Leeds United see finish. This one I didn't call see finish.
This Manchester United team, I must tell you, nothing they want carry Maggi do for soup when they don't already put salt.
Moving forward, if you say man, if you maintain the same pressure.
My brother, I no go fit talk. Now man, you be this. So we dey move big time. But anyhow, Shamo first win our 3 matches. Then I go know what to say.
The truth is that Man U they unpredictable. I know if you predict, you understand. If they continue like this, I see say maybe they go far.
Pogba 4 assists. I'm not talking about Waka pass assists. I'm talking about Ego eye assists.
Bruno Fernandes hat trick today.
Oh, how will I describe this guy? This guy is an exquisite finisher.
That guy now be man of the match for every match wey they play, whether I do well or not. To me.
Welcome to Football Fans Tribe. Here we interview Nigeria football fans after matches and giving Nigeria football fan content back to back. So if you're new here, please click the subscribe button. And here come the rest of the interviews. After I still tell you that this video is sponsored by Wazobet. So Wazobet still have this promo code that you can use to get 250% bonus on your first deposit when registering on www.wazobet.com. Just click on the link in the description, register and start betting. Thanks so much for finally we don't reach 10,000 subscribers. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you're old here, thanks for coming back. Here come the rest of the interviews.
I have to say I'm happy is an understatement, you know. It's a good match.
Yeah.
It's a bright day for all United faithfuls. As one of the United chieftains, you know, I really came out to watch this match with my hopes high.
Yeah.
I know Manchester United. I told you before now, it's our season. I've said it before now. It's not about this match. You know, it's clearly a Manchester United scene. There is no doubt about it.
They smell man you.
You know, it's very obvious that this EPL title belongs to Manchester City. I'm even seeing this team. I don't see this Manchester United team losing more than up to 3 or 4 matches. I won't say they will go unbeaten, but based on the kind of the spirit in the team, the way the team is being set up, I'm telling you for free that Manchester United is up for this title come 2021.
And then Bruno Fernandes opening the hat trick. Just sum up that guy as a player.
Bruno Fernandes. You know, he's a player that reminds me of a Manchester United George Best. He's a you know, they say comment the man, comment the moment. He's a player for the big occasion. Fantastic player, I must tell you. And I think he will do. Just imagine if Bruno Fernandes can replicate what he did last season, this very season, based on the spirit in the team and the way we solidify our defense. I think we are seeing a very strong contender for possibly a Ballon d'Or.
Ballon d'Or Bruno Fernandes.
Yeah.
Oh, calm down now. Calm down now. One match be this.
No. Now from money we don't know how market go be like now. Now from money we know how market go be like. Bruno Fernandes, believe you me, I see him doing wonders this season. Fantastic goals. He doesn't get better than this. First match, scored the second goal he scored, you can easily pass for the goal of the season. I'm not. It will take God for anybody to do what will be better than what we just saw this afternoon. Wonderful display from Manchester United. Great composure from Maguire. And what else can I say about this man called Pogba? 4 assists. I'm not talking about Waka pass assists. I'm talking about Ego eye assists. Wonderful passes. Manchester United all the way this season. I'm telling you that for free. You can take it to the bank.
Finally, you've been touched on the defense, but are you happy with the transfer business so far, or if you say United guys do 1 or 2 more things?
No. The transfer is okay. You know, you have a player that have won Champions League 3 times, a World Cup winner that have seen it all. You're talking about a vice captain of Real Madrid. It's a solid defender. What else do we need? What I want Ole Gunnar Solskjaer to do is, I don't know the kind of experiment you want to tell me that he's waiting for Varane to pick or something. You should start Varane as quickly as possible. Varane needs to come in and play. You see what competition brings. You do see
everybody steps up.
Look at Lindelof today. You will be like, wow, is this the Lindelof that played for Manchester United last season? Varane needs to come up, pair with Maguire, who solidify that defense. And I don't want him to make any mistake of trying to experiment in that goalkeeping position. You need to get a goalkeeper in person of the guy that has a name. Let him be there. man, good. You can even see James did very well today. That was Sancho brings, but it's very obvious that Sancho any day anytime will play ahead of James will play second fiddle to Sancho. This Manchester United team, I must tell you, nothing they wan carry Maggi do for soup when they don already put salt.
Nah, the match rugged, no be choice. This is the old Manchester United I've been looking for. You know, the old Manchester United, people like Paul Scholes, Van Nistelrooy, Cristiano Ronaldo. When you're watching Manchester United game, you're feeling joy inside of you. Even if you did not play the bets to win money, at least you have joy that your team impressed. Do you understand? This is Manchester United I've been looking for all this while. And today's match is excellent. The result is astonishing. Do you understand? If we can maintain this stability in the next 3 games and grab 9 points, we will count ourselves as league contenders. Do you understand? But if we win this one and draw next match and draw the 3rd match, I think we are slacking. But if we can maintain this form, this pressure, this attack, massive defense, massive attack, we will go far. I'm impressed with the game.
And then happy with the transfer window so far for Man U. They don't announce Varane today. They don't unveil him for the stadium today. Yeah. Sancho come in, you know, cameo appearance. He came in off the bench. Are you happy with the transfer business so far?
I'm happy with the transfer business. The only transfer I'm happy about is Varane. I can say it's Varane only. I'm not happy about that Sancho. He doesn't know what he's bringing such amount of money. At least I've seen what he has played. He's not playing like someone that I'll be happy to watch. Do you understand? If maybe Messi,
trust me, you go there happy to watch him after some time. No worry, trust me.
Really, I pray so. I pray to see more from the boy. But I think we are okay. But we need more like attacking force. Assuming we brought Messi, it would have been better. This Messi that was on free transfer, assuming we brought Messi, would have been better, because we need such player in Manchester United to make this club move forward, because we need trophy. Not every season we are trophyless. Common Carling Cup last season we could not grab. So what is the essence? Playing and, you know, understand. So yeah. So I'm looking forward to more performance and more results from Manchester United.
Bruno Fernandes, hat-trick today. Describe that player the best way.
That guy, oh, how will I describe this guy? This guy is an exquisite finisher. Do you understand? For him to grab hat-trick, and if you watch the goals, it's not an easy goal. It was in a difficult angle. He could be able to squeeze in the ball. That is what makes you a prolific player.
And sometimes they forget to say this guy in a midfielder.
Yes, and he's not even a striker to start with. Do you understand? We start the game with a striker, but he could not score goal. It was midfielder that was even scoring the goals. Do you understand? So Bruno Fernandes is a good player, and Pogba, he made a mistake from his first attack that he would have scored, gave us the lead. But he made a mistake, and he corrected the mistake by giving us 4 assists. So I think he will keep adopting, and he will do better in the next matches to play.
Pogba in contract on the rundown, Shana, in last year be this. How desperate if you say man you guys be to keep that guy?
For me, I'm not against the guy, and at the same time I'm not a fan of the guy, because sometimes Pogba can make you have heart attack when you get home. So if he doesn't want to stay, the worst thing that can happen to a team is when you're forcing someone beyond the person's wish. So you just have to allow them to do their wish. If it is Pogba's wish to stay at Manchester, he doesn't need anybody to beg him, because Manchester United is his roots. Do you understand? So he should be happy playing for Manchester United, give all his best to sign that contract. So if he doesn't want to sign, let him go. That's all I have to say.
Godfrey back after recovering from yesterday. How you see the match?
I never recover. When I notice I don't recover, I never recover. Because this thing I see in my mind, unless they go win Chelsea for me coming next week, that's when I will recover. But if they never win that match, I never recover. Then back to Manchester United match. Congratulations to Manchester United. Last time we they meet with this Leeds United, they beat them 6-1. Again, 5-1. Guy, this Manchester United, they don't see this Leeds United C finish. This one I did call C finish. You know what I'm saying? So congratulations to Manchester United. Then for what they call them, for Leeds United, if they continue with this performance, they will go back to relegation. I know they surprise you. They are at the same time for Man U. Now waiting one seed and be this. All these big club, they need to stand up. Much of people Arsenal and Man U.
Sure say it be big club, you understand?
Much of people Arsenal and Man U. Arsenal and Man U are the only club where we say back then, if you want to call Premier League, now 2 clubs you go call. Now Man City and Liverpool want to take over the thing. You know, makes sense. If Man U step up now, give Man City run of their money, everybody gonna say yes. this Premier League na still competition. No be say Man City go sign Harry Kane, go sign this one, go sign this one. At the end of the day, we go think say the Premier League don finish. Say na Man City get am. But for Manchester United, Bruno Fernandes, I tell you yesterday, na wetin Arsenal wan need to do na be this one. That creative midfielder alone na something. Because as far as he get that guy, no matter how your striker no dey do well, they must do well because they get creative midfielder.
Options dey.
Option dey well. The guy go fit score, the striker fit score. So at the same time, nobody even know whether Man U backline the league today, sir, because them pressure to lead United well. So for Manchester United, congratulations today. They win their match 5-1, top of the table. And I no go dey surprised say they go top of the table till the other people play finish. They go sit top of the table.
Interesting one. And then Paul Pogba today 4 assists. You know that guy today him be like this, tomorrow him be like this, but he not show wetin him fit do today. And this na the last year of his contract. If you say United guys struggle to keep that guy, by all means.
If you ask me anything concerning Pogba, I no go give you any negative side of Pogba because me I be big fan of Pogba. I like Pogba well. Since when the Manchester United before him come move to Juventus, before him come back to the Manchester United, what I like about the guy na his strength, his ability, his skills, everything. I like this guy. This guy na better player, na perfect, na big player. If you check out this Manchester United team now, you go say if not for a player like Bruno Fernandes, this Pogba no meant to be in this Manchester United team because he don big pass in Manchester United team. Although no player wey big pass Manchester United, but at the same time players wey dey the Manchester United team now, Pogba big pass all of them.
But men pass men.
Men pass men, you don't understand. Now World Cup winner this guy be. This guy no be small person. Messi, Ronaldo, they never win this World Cup, but Pogba get am for him hand. Him go challenge them tomorrow. Say guy, now wetin I don achieve for life, when I never achieve am. You don't understand. So for Pogba na big player anytime, any day. I know they surprised say he get 4 assists today. Even though he even get 6 assists, I no go dey surprised because na big player. This United they no reach anywhere for Pogba. Pogba go handle them from beginning to the end of the match. So as the guy come up for the match, if you see as the midfield open, may know say yes, the guy now somebody for that midfield. And now if Pogba got to stay for this Manchester United, that money where they offer him, guy that money is small. If they give him 700 per week, I no go dey surprised because the guy na big player. This guy deserve to do this PSG team where would they see the lack of Messi, everybody they try to go there. The Ronaldo try to go there, all those things, you don't understand. So for Pogba, if he stay this Manchester United, may they send him money. But if he no stay, now Madrid, Juventus, PSG, that's the club he deserve to go. Yeah.
I don't say I say you be big fan of Pogba, but
big heavy fan of Pogba. I love the guy. Well. Yeah.
Today they now unveil Varane for the stadium, you know, and Sancho the second signing in play too. So if you say Man U, their transfer window, I don't say Arsenal never to do too well, but Man U transfer window, if you say they don't do okay, at least to start the season from there, or they need to do 1 or 2 more signings again.
If you check Manchester United, anytime where they do signing out of England players, they always do well. But any signing where they do in England, guys, or England player, in fact, just put an England player, guys, they always spend crazy money, and at the end of the day, they still know they pay. Now, guess what? This Harry Maguire, where they go spend 80 million. Harry Maguire is not a bad player, but he no deserve that 80 million. This Jadon Sancho guy, you go see wetin go happen. This Jadon Sancho no get different with Rashford, and now as he stand now, so nobody go buy Rashford 73 million pounds. You don't understand? So as he stand now, so player like Jadon Sancho na good player him be, but he no deserve that money wey dem buy am. And him, I no sure say him go show that work wey Manchester United dey expect to see on am. Then for Varane na the only player wey I see say Manchester United don sign this season wey be say what more than the money wey they even buy am. And na the best sign wey Manchester United don do this season na be this. I don't know whether they go sign another striker, but for me now as it stand now, so na the best sign wey they don do be this.
If you want to win league, actually you have to start like this. At least 3, you must win your 3 straight matches so that we go know say you dey serious. And we don start like this, and as it stands so na go we dey. Nobody dey stop us.
Interesting one. Bruno Fernandes 3 goals today. Just sum up that guy the way he fit.
No, that guy I don talk am before, I go repeat am again. That guy na good guy. That guy na be man of the match for every match wey we dey play, whether he do well or not. To me na man of the match. That guy, if we get am like that 3, we go carry even Champions League, no be only league.
And then Paul Pogba 4 assists today.
Yes, Paul Pogba no be my person anyway, but that guy sometimes he dey do well.
Quality.
He do well sometimes, and wetin he do today, I don forgive am for wetin the bad wey done. 4 assists, e no dey easy for beginning of season, first match to give 4 assists. That guy try, I don forgive am.
And then moving forward now for the league, you dey very very confident say una fit keep up this form.
My brother, I no go fit talk o, na Man U be this o, we dey move big time. But anyhow mo first win our 3 matches, then I go know what to say.
And then the transfer window so far, Varane, they unveil him today. Then Jadon Sancho, he came in as a substitute. Are you impressed with the business so far, or you need them to do more?
Yes, I need one more signing, at least a sharp striker. Not be say we no get.
Cavani never do you.
No, Cavani dey okay, but
He
now
would never do you.
no.
Martial never do you.
Martial don die now. We wan even sell am 50 million. Anybody wey get, make dem come collect am. No, e no do me. See, you dey see Man City now. When they dey score goals, then they score from like 5 they go. We need options. So we need the one sharp striker, like the way Chelsea just buy one correct striker now. We need somebody like that.
At least we enjoy the match, the way they take play the match. With Bruno, the 4 assists, and the Bruno Fernandes giving hat-trick for the first time as opening match like this. The thing give everybody joy. I enjoy the match.
And then moving forward, if you say, man, if you maintain the same pressure, continue like this to they beat teams well.
The truth is that Man U, they unpredictable. I know if you predict, you understand? Yeah. So I no go know if they continue like this. I see say maybe they go far for Premier League. And to me, I like the way they play today. It's very, very good.
And then any word to sum up Bruno Fernandes? Season just they start, and this guy in a midfielder, boy, they score hat-trick.
No, he go far. Yeah, now he go carry the highest goal scorer.
Pogba now the last year of in contract be this. After all the things we're into today, we know saying if they deliver this kind of thing from time to time, even if you never they consider for Man U, but you feel say Man U guys they struggle now to make that guy may extend in contracts, or what do you think if you want go main go?
My own, if he want go main go, because Pogba no they consistent. In as much as say me I be Man U fan, but the guy no like him. You understand? And I didn't do well today, Sha, because person as for the stage when don't play reach for Man U, he's supposed to don't they carry the club for head, but the guy need they carry the club for head. Today go play well, tomorrow he go come they make fun, they talk to him anyhow. But today, Sha, ain't trying to do well today. Do well. The way he
so if you say make the offer and the contract, if you want the main day, but if you don't want the main go.
That one, I for say if they go give him contract, maybe they don't give him more higher, they give him like 2 years or 3 years. You understand? That do okay, but maybe they don't extend that like that much, so that.
Interesting one. And then finally, they unveil Varane today for the stadium there, and then Sancho, the second signing, incoming as a substitute. You they happy with the transfer business so far, or if you say man, you still guys do more?
For the transfer, Sha, they try, but the Sancho in question, the guy No,
you never to watch him.
Yeah, I never to watch.
No worry, you go like him.
Yeah, but for the minute when play, I like him pattern of playing. You understand? So and I believe saying go do well. The Varane thing go do well. Not as much as they don't play Varane today, he go still do well when they play. When he come, then go play well, all of them.